All right, let's dive into this fascinating journey we call digestion. You know, it's really remarkable how our bodies work. Think about it. Digestion is basically how our body turns food into energy for play, growth, and learning. Isn't that wild?
Oh, wow. That is wild. So, how does, all this start? I guess I have a feeling it's in the mouth, right?
Exactly. It all starts in the mouth. We chew with our teeth, and then saliva, which is that watery stuff in our mouth, helps to soften the food. It's like, imagine biting into a juicy piece of fruit. Your teeth break it down into smaller bits, and the saliva starts doing its magic.
I didn't think about it that way. So, the saliva is almost like a magic potion?
Yes, that's a great analogy. And then, we have our amazing tongue. It's not just there to taste our food. It rolls the chewed food into what we call a bolus, which is just a fancy word for a soft ball of food.
A bolus? That's a funny word. So, after the bolus, what happens next?
Right, so then we swallow this food ball, and it slides down a long tunnel called the esophagus. Just picture it sliding down like a roller coaster ride, smooth and swift, moving towards our stomach.
Whoa, a roller coaster for food. That's, hilarious. So after we reach the stomach, I guess that's where the real party happens?
Absolutely. In the stomach, special juices mix with the food and turn it into this mushy substance called chyme. It's like a blender going to town.
Chyme. Wow! So it's like a smoothie for our stomach? I can totally picture that.
Exactly. And then here's where it gets really important. The mushy food goes into the small intestine. This is a crucial stage because, in the small intestine, the nutrients from that food enter our blood.
Nutrients. So basically, it's like filling up a tank with energy, right?
You got it. We're fueling our bodies here. Just think of it like charging your devices. We're charging up to grow strong and learn.
Oh, I love that. So what happens to the leftovers?
Great question. The leftover food moves to the large intestine, where water is absorbed and essential nutrients are kept. It's like the last call. Whatever's left gets its final check before being expelled.
So the large intestine is like a bouncer at a club? Only the good stuff gets to stay in the bloodstream?
Haha, exactly. Not everything makes the cut. Finally, whatever the body doesn't need gets expelled as waste. And, eating healthy, drinking water, and staying active are super important for maintaining this entire process.
Wow, that just blows my mind. So, to keep everything running smoothly, we really do have to treat our bodies well, huh?
For sure. It's like a car. You wouldn't put low-quality fuel in it and expect it to run perfectly, right? Our bodies deserve the best, too.
Laughs. That's really true, I definitely wouldn't.